This week was supposed to begin with the anticipation of the Fed monetary policy meeting results. However, the traders' sentiment turned out to be different amid the latest news. The reports about attacks on oil fields in Saudi Arabia came as a shock to market participants. Geopolitics is shaping the dynamics of currency pairs, thus the euro-dollar pair declined as the American currency strengthened thanks to its safe haven appeal. By the moment of preparing materials for this video, the price has broken support at 1.1040. The European stock indexes also reacted negatively to this news. Obviously, the current tendency is short-term. Besides, the dollar is likely to attract sellers' attention as the Federal Reserve is expected to cut the interest rate after its monetary policy meeting that will be held on Wednesday. However, this significant event may pass unnoticed amid escalation of tensions in the Persian Gulf. Yemen's Houthi rebels claimed responsibility for the attacks, but the American president blames Iran for it. Though Tehran had denied its involvement in this incident, Donald Trump fueled tensions, saying that the United States was ready to hit a counter-strike depending on the results of investigation into Iran's complicity. Meanwhile, gold prices returned to the upper boundary of the trading range on the back of the conflict escalation. The precious metal was hovering above $1,500 per 3 ounce. At the same time, the pound sterling pulled back slightly after surging at the end of the last week amid positive expectations of reaching a deal on Brexit. Today, the pound-dollar pair declined to 1.2430, but another reminder about a soft position of the British authorities and attempts to find a compromise with the European Union can bring pound buyers back to the market. Traders' calendar is bereft of significant news. Investors are not waiting for any publications, so only geopolitical factors are shaping the market sentiment today. You have watched Forex News on InstaForex TV channel, presented by me, Kate Stihina. Goodbye until next time on our channel.